It's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a little snowman vignette from all things Dollar Tree. So I grabbed one of these boxes from the Dollar Tree. You could use any box. I've seen people do them on old spice tins, anything that you have. I grabbed some wrapping paper from Dollar Tree. It's like a striped candy one. One of the bottle brush trees, this snowman ornament, one of the little drums that they had, one of the little houses that they had for ornaments, a couple of bells, and some of that garland. It's wired. Some fake snow. A little Christmas tag that says Happy Holidays from Joann's. It was on a piece of scrapbook paper. A glue stick, your glue gun, and some Mod Podge, which I forgot to show. So the first thing I did was wrap the box with the wrapping paper, and I used the glue stick to stick the wrapping paper so that there wouldn't be tape on it. And you want to wrap it as tight as you can, just how you would a present. I'm not very good at wrapping presents, so don't make fun of how I wrap this little tiny box. And like I said, you can use a tin, you can use a round box. I've seen people use little mini hat boxes, jewelry boxes. So it doesn't need to be a wooden box by any means. There's all kinds of different things at Dollar Tree that you can use to make this in. And this is like a shiny paper. And it's really thick. So it's really actually very good wrapping paper for Dollar Tree. So how cute is that? So now I have like a little present all wrapped. And you're going to make your vignette on the part that's folded so that you don't see it. And then the other part that's folded you'll use as the bottom. And then you'll just have that one crease in the back. So the first thing that you do is I added some hot glue to the top and then dumped some of the faux snow on it. And this snow is just from the Dollar Tree. And it's really nice snow for Dollar Tree also. And I realized that the hot glue didn't really do its job. So I added some Mod Podge. And I just used my paintbrush to kind of dash it all over in the spots where the hot glue didn't stick. And this stuff just makes a mess. But what is crafting without a mess, right? Then I sort of used the Mod Podge and put it around the edges and kind of let it drip down to create like almost like the snow was falling or like icicles. And then I just sprinkled the snow on that as it was falling down. And then it looked like snow was dripping everywhere. I added a little glitter, but you really couldn't tell, so there's really no point in doing that. The snow from Dollar Tree is pretty sparkly all on its own. And you can see I have all the drips coming down the side. And once it's dry, you can wipe off the excess around, your drips and the sides of the boxes if you got it anywhere else. So once that was dry, I took my snowman and I cut his little tag off. And I glued him to the top of the box. And he got the back left corner. And these little snowmen are cute. They actually come in a green color too, that I have another project for him, something similar to this. And then I just glued the little bottle brush tree right next to him. We're basically just going to make a cute little winter scene on the top of the box. See how cute that is already? Then I glued the little house into the corner of the box. And if you remember the house, this is the one that was an ornament, and I cut the hanger off and I added some of the SnowTech snow to it to cover up the hole. Next, I glued the little drum in front of the snowman. And look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? I love these little vignettes that I've been seeing in these boxes and stuff. They're so adorable. I cut a piece of the garland and I wrapped it around the tree. I honestly am not sure how I still feel about that. So I didn't glue it into place because I wasn't sure if I actually wanted to keep it. I think it might be a little too much. Then I glued the 2 little bells that I had, and I did a red and green one to match the, the snowman's scarf and his earmuffs and the house. And then I broke it up with the green because it matched the box and the wrapping paper. Next, I'm going to use that little happy holiday sign. I put a little hot glue on, and I'm going to glue that right to the front of the tree. And this is a super cute project to use all the little mini things and all the things at Dollar Tree, the ornaments that you're not really sure what to do with, or that, don't really match your decor. This is a cute little way to display them. I have this thing for, vintage, and this sort of looks like vintage Christmas. And I added 2 pieces of the garland in with the bells, and I think this just turned out amazing. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to sprinkle.